All right, here's the last of my 3 videos for you guys today. So we are going to talk about our social studies assignment. Now this is both listed in Teams and in Fusion. We're going to kind of continue our pattern that we've done. You're going to start it today. We're going to work throughout the week and we're going to have this done by Friday. Basically, moving on with our presidents. We're now going to talk about James Monroe and John Quincy Adams. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to write for me a short essay on one of those 2 presidents. You get to choose. Each essay must contain notes on a given topic. Notes should be presented in an essay format, okay? Basically, I guess I could have said this here, TDA. Write this up as if it's a TDA. You should include details and explanations. As I said to you guys, from this point forward, just about every single thing you write that's school-related, you're going to need to have details and explanations. If you have the technology and it's not too hard for you, I'd like you to put a picture with your project. But again, I'm not stuck on that. If you can't do it or if you're handwriting, don't worry about it. Your project should be neat. You should have correct grammar and spelling. And when I say visually appealing, it shouldn't be a ripped up, wrinkled up piece of paper. It shouldn't be in sloppy handwriting. You should take a minute and make it look like a 6th grader wrote it. Okay? So you got 2 topics. You could either be writing about James Monroe or John Quincy Adams. If you choose James Monroe, you're going to focus on nationalism and the era of good feelings, his territorial boundaries, the First Seminole War, the Adams-Onis Treaty, the Rush-Bagot Treaty, and the Treaty of 1818 with Britain. You could talk about the Missouri Compromise and the Monroe Doctrine. Okay? You don't necessarily have to go into great detail in each of these things, but you should at least touch on and explain most of them. If you don't want to do James Monroe, you can choose John Quincy Adams. You know, we talked about John Adams before. This is a different gentleman, John Quincy Adams. If you choose John Quincy Adams, you're going to choose the election of 1824 and the corrupt bargain. You're going to talk about the American system and Henry Clay. And you're going to talk about the tariffs of abominations and John C. Calhoun. Okay? Now, just like we've done the past couple times, I have links to websites available for you. You should be able to, at this point, I've demonstrated this for you. You should be able to maneuver the site to know what you're looking for. You can see at the bottom of the screen, it says Life in-Depth Essays. That's there. And if you chose John Quincy Adams, there you go, the same thing. You don't have to read every one of those essays, but you should at least on the heading be able to recognize which you need for which topic, okay? But like I said, we'll discuss this. We'll go over this in class some too, so I'm not hanging you out to dry. I want you to give yourself a little bit of a head start today, so hopefully when you walk into class tomorrow, you have a little bit of a better, understanding. And then the last thing is, obviously, I can't print out websites for you, so we're going to be limited in resources and how we handle this, so a lot of this may end up being done outside of class. Again, any issues, just let me know. All right, finally, I told you guys about the coded message. If you picked up the first 2 coded words, today, the last code that I'm going to give you guys is rock. Rock. Put those 3 coded words together. If you send me a chat in Teams, I'll give you bonus. Okay? If you watch 3 videos, you get 3 coded words. Send me a quick message in Teams, and I will give you bonus. Here's the thing. You got to send me the message by 6 o'clock Monday. Okay? By 6 o'clock Monday, you send me those 3 words that I put in the 3 videos in Teams, in a chat, and I will give you some bonus. Okay? All right, enjoy your snow day.